Why, hello there, everyone. I am not Slayer49, and this is how to prog. Step 1. Download Notepad++ or editor of choosing Notepad++, number one editor, though, of all time. Except for the fact that Notepad++ sucks dick. Make a Visual Studio, but, I mean, who even needs a Visual Studio? No one needs a Visual Studio. So what we're going to do, we're just going to use a good Notepad++. So step 1, we're going to make a program. And what you're going to want to do when you make a program is you're going to want to make a text, right? So here's step 1. We're going to need the globals. Hold on. Step 1, change language to C++. There you go. Now it highlights it. Now you highlight. Did the comment? There you go. Comment bitches. All right, so there's here what we do. What we do is we create an int main, and then we give it a thing, and an int main void. Now this is the main function. This is the main function. That is the main function. What we're going to want to do, we're going to have to hashtag include, that's right, studio.h. Actually, no, let's screw it. See, studio. It's the same thing, but who even needs it? Include stdio.h. Same thing, fun fact. We just need fopen, okay? Here's what we're going to need to do. We're going to need to make a file pointer, and what we're going to name the file pointer, that's right, snood, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to call fopen. And in order to call fopen, we're just going to give it the relative path. We're going to call it bitches.txt, right? We're going to call it fopenbitches.txt. What we're going to want to do for security here, we're going to want to say if snood, right? Otherwise, else you just say cout. Ain't nobody got time for that. That's how you spell that. All right. Actually, hold on. I forgot. STD hashtag cout. STD hashtag endle. What this'll do is this'll attempt to fopen bitches, and if bitches does not fopen properly, then it's going to see if it's snood, then it's good. If it's not, then it says ain't nobody got that's never. And then you say something or other, right? So here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. What we're going to do. We're going to get a char pointer. And the char pointer, fun fact, is going to be called snood. No, it can't be called snood, because that's already called snood. You know, this is going to be called slood, right? And here's what we're going to do, okay? So if... Oh, damn it. Oh, that's unfortunate. All right. Let's just go. Let's go to D. Actually, let's go to Documents, right? We'll just, real quick here, create a folder for holding the things. And then what we're going to do in things, we're going to save this as snood magood, with an underscore, of course, dot horse. No, it's got to be dot .cpp. Because, you know, that's what you got to do. Snoodmagood.cpp. And, of course, we're going to need a file, so let's just, actually, this is already new. In fact, I've already prepared it. So let's see here. That's 25 lines. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to just put the number 25 up there. This right here indicates the number of lines. Right here, down here, we're going to have the lines themselves. And under here, this is going to be bitches.txt. That's going to be bitches right there. Am I right? In the club, yes. So now that we have bitches, we're going to say fscanf, which will scanf snood in such a way that is real good. And what we're going to do that. That's right. It's going to scan snood. We're going to get an I, and then we're going to get int how many of them. That's how many of them there's going to be, right? And then we're going to give it the address of how many of them. That's right. How many of them are there? That's the real question. Now that we know how many of them there are, we're going to say int 4, right? And then we're going to say int horse equals 0. As long as horse is less than how many of them, then we're gonna do a horse plus plus. All right. And basically, what this does is this does a loop, right? this right here fscanfs the first number out of bitches.txt. It's going to fscanf 25, right? And then we're going to loop through 25 times, and then we're going to do a fscanf. But before that, you know what we're going to do? I almost forgot to do it. That's right. Slood equals, you know what it's going to be? It's going to be equal to new char, and then we need how many chars? That's right. How many of them? That's wrong. How many of them? And what this is going to do is going to allocate enough space for slood. Yes. All right. So here's what we're going to do after that. We're going to detl. No. We're going to delete slood. Actually, no. Got to make sure. Got to delete bracket slood. You just use delete regular without brackets if and only if you end up finding out that your girlfriend's cheating on you. So what you're going to do right here, what you're going to do, you're going to say that slood, right? Slood, a horse, equals scanf, all right? And then we're just going to say %i rn. You got to do all that. You know, you just got to do it, right? And then I almost forgot. Got to give it got to give it snood. All right? And then we're gonna fscanf. Wait a minute. I forgot how fscanf works. Silly me. Snood. And then we're gonna give it hold on. Int dingleberry. We're just gonna make that temporarily here. We're just gonna say that we're gonna give it the address of Dingleberry. That's right. So Dingleberry is gonna be there. And then we're going to say that slood horse is equal to, and then we're going to cast that to a char. Going to cast Dingleberry to a char. All right? Now that we finally have all the characters there, what we're going to do is we're going to do a std cout, and then we're going to print out some text, right? We're going to print out slood horse, right? And then we're gonna just actually no, we're done with that. We don't need to end the line. After that, we're gonna say std endl, or no, sorry, I'm messing everything up. We're gonna std endl, and there you go. So here's what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to go into documents. Okay, you're gonna want to go to frickin' what the hell is it called? The things, right? You're gonna want to go into the things. You're gonna want to open a command line. And then you're going to want to say GCC. All right, GCC. Going to want to say GCC snoodmagood.cpp. And then you're going to want to say O. And then what you're going to want to call it is ron_perlman.exe. There you go. And what GCC is going to do, what the hell do you mean too few arguments? What? Open. Oh, silly me. I just spit all over my screen. I forgot to give it the args. Silly me. What other errors do we have here? In file, error cout is not a member of STD. Yes, it is. Oh, you know what? Silly me. Cout? What the hell's the header file called? Okay, here's what we're going to do. Let's go here. What do we got? STD cout. That's right. What header was it in? C++.com. IOStream. Nope, that's wrong. I grabbed the wrong thing. IOStream. That's right. Silly me. So we're going to snood magood and we're going to ronperlman.exe. What the shit does that mean? What? Undefined reference to STD basic O stream. What? What the hell? Undefined reference to operator new. Okay. Let's include cstidlib. Cstidlib. Did that fix it? Shit. I don't remember what the headers are, okay? Don't even try to give me none of that sass. None of that sass. Here's an idea. Here's something that always fixes everything. Let's include windows.h. What the shit? What the fuck? What the hell is going on here? This did not fix everything. This fixed nothing. It fixed nothing, though. Nothing, though. Nothing, though. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. CL snoodaloo.cpp. Fatal error. C-Stadio. No include path set. Fatal error. I didn't save. Fatal error. C-Stidlib. No include path set. Fatal error. Okay, windows.h. Put that in front of everything. Screw it. I don't care. What the hell do you mean no include path set? Why does it say no include path set? This is how you look things up on the internet. No include path set. Let's just undo. Windows.h, no include path set. You can also run vcvars32. Okay. What the hell was it? vcvars32. Yay! Bullshit! Okay. C-Stidlib, C-Stidao. Huzzah! Now, let's run snoodmagoo.exe. What the fuck? What? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. So this is where we debug, right? We see std cout dingleberry std and l. Right, and let me just go back. CL snoodmagoo.txt. I don't care about your warnings. Oh, I just recompiled. And then we snood magoo. Right, 53. That's not actually what it is at all. Whoop! Silly me. I forgot to fucking F close. Is that what it's called? I don't remember. Snood. There we go. That'll fix it. Look, I forgot. What the hell do you mean? Okay, let's view. Show all characters. Yeah, CRLF. Dude. Is this actually doing anything? What the hell do you... What the hell are you... Oh, man, that's bad. Okay, there we go. So, how many of them? How many of them? Let's do a STD cout. Let's see out how many of them. Look, I swear to God, I'm good at this. Don't listen to the... Don't... STD and L. Snood Magood. Warning, I don't give two poops. Snood Magood. Yep, how many of them? So, let's see here. Value. Yeah, let's put a STD and L. We're debugging here, right? Do. Actually, no, it's fine. Okay, let's recompile that. Warning, I don't give two poops. Thank you, Microsoft's compiler, for... So let's see, the value is 53. What the hell do you mean the value is 53? The value is not 53. Let's get rid of the unnecessary zeros in front of everything, see if that makes a difference. It shouldn't. I see. That seemed to make a difference. All right. So let's just get rid of that there. Value, get rid of that. I don't need no endl anymore. And so we don't need to printf anything. All right. Just raw convert that. We have debugged the program. So as we can see here, let's just CLS for a second right there, right? So if we go to the file and we just rename bitches to just bitch, and we attempt to snood magood, ain't nobody got half of that. Let's just recompile that, right? But if we then go back and we rename it to bitches.txt, we find out, right? Let's just recompile it. We find out that his name is John Cena!